Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tochi. Today I'll be showing you guys how to extract palm fruit paste with your hands. So in this video we're not going to be making use of any food processor or mortar or pestle. We'll just be using our hands to extract it. So first of all, I'm going to boil the palm fruit for a long time till the flesh comes off from the seed very easily. As you can see, I have already done that. And this is what it looks like after you boil it. The flesh comes off very easily. So basically what I'm doing is I am removing the bark from the seed. So as I rub everything together, everything will come off and then we'll be able to extract it. So I'm just going to start little by little till I can put my whole hands, all my 2 hands inside, because it's very hot right now. But if you have a mortar and pestle, then you can just pound it till you don't need to pound it hard. Remember, you're not trying to break the seeds. You're just trying to remove this back. So we just keep rubbing it until most of the seeds become like this. So this is the pot I'm going to use to cook it. I'm just strain it now. Here we have it. We're just going to boil it for some time now. You can see it's quite watery. Let me turn it so you can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Very watery. So I'm going to boil it now. And you see it. We have extracted the palm kernel oil, and this is the real banga. This is what makes it banga. So when it's like this, you can actually use it to cook any soup, but I want to cook ofaku, and first of all I need to get the thick paste. So I'm going to boil it for some time. And then I'll use it to make the soup. So guys, stay tuned and I'll show you this after boiling. It's ready now. Now see how thick it is. You can see how thick it is. Yeah, so this is the sauce. I'm going to turn it off now. This is the main thing. This is what makes it ofaku or banga. This is the main banga. We allowed it dry. So the more water you use to rinse your palm kernel after rubbing it together, the more water you use, the longer you will need to leave it to dry. So here we have this very thick paste. Until you have this thick paste, before you know you're ready. You see the oil, pure natural oil.
So guys, I hope you all enjoyed my video. I hope you were able to learn one or two things. In the next video after this, I will be making ofaku or banga soup. I will be making it, and I'd like you guys to learn or see how it's made or see how I make mine. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. If you try it out, let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well.